Hello, this video is part 1 of how I made this glasses scene in Blender 4.0. We start with a new scene, press A, then delete to empty the scene, Shift plus A to open up the add menu, image, reference, then scroll to the location of the image file, change the rotation value so that the image is on the ZY axis. We'll start with the front face, Shift plus A, mesh, circle, press R, Y, 90 to rotate it 90 degrees in the Y axis, then G, Shift plus X to restrict X axis movement, press Tab to enter edit mode, A, F to create a face, press Tab to exit, S to scale it to the frame. Let's add a modifier, generate subdivision surfaces, keep Catmull Clark selected and set it to 2. Press Tab 1 to enter vertex edit mode. Select each vertex and position it to the outline of the frame. Now go to the wireframe view. Press A to select all, then I to inset the shape of the lens. Then delete the new face. Edit the new vertices to the inner side of the frame. To replicate on the other side, add a mirror modifier. Select Y instead of X. Shift plus A to add an empty axis to the scene. Select the mesh, click the eyedropper in the mirror objects, and select the empty axes. As the image is not centered, press G, Y to align it and repeat with the mesh. Create a bridge between the sockets, increase the mirror merge distance. Bridging starts at vertices closest to each other. To position the vertices and adjust merge distance till the bridge aligns with the reference. Remember to G, Shift plus X for no X-axis movement. To add some thickness, add a solidify modifier from generate, set the thickness to 0.1 meters, and checkmark even thickness. Add another subdivision surface to provide a rounded finish, set the value to 2. Select the image and H to hide. Ctrl plus S to save project if you haven't. In edit mode, press 2, Alt plus left click on an inner edge to select the whole length, Shift plus D to duplicate, right click to drop it in place. Then right click, separate by selection. Select the new object. In edit mode, A, F, get rid of the last subdivision modifier and change the solidify thickness to 0.025. G, X to align the lenses with the frame. Right click, shade auto smooth on both the objects. Select each object and F2 to rename. Unhide the image by pressing the eye icon. Now we will work on the handles. Shift plus A, mesh plane, R, Y, 90, S to scale it down, G, Shift plus X to position it to the starting position, press Tab, 1, then G, Shift plus X on each vertex, position the vertices to fit the symmetrical part of the shape, press 2, select the edge, E to extrude, Shift plus X for no X-axis movement, move the mouse to follow the shape of the curve and left click to drop the new edge in place. Repeat till the end of the shape. Press 1, then align the vertex position with the shape outline. Ctrl plus R over a region to add a loop cut, scroll up to add more and left click to drop in place. Add a single loop cut near both ends of the mesh to avoid over-rounding of the shape. Add a solidify modifier with a thickness of 0.25 meters and even thickness. Add a subdivision modifier and set the value to 3. Right-click, shade auto smooth. Rotate and position the handle with the frame. Apply a mirror modifier. Select Y instead of X. Mirror the object to the empty axis as before. Add a plane and S to scale it up. Shift plus A to add a camera. Adjust the view. Ctrl plus Alt plus 0 on the numpad to position the camera to view. Set the camera sensor size to 35mm and align to position the glasses into the image borders. That's all for part 1. Check out part 2 for lighting and material. Thanks for watching!